What up, Raffleaders? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back at the Timehri International Airport, also known as the Cheddi Jagan International Airport, here at Timehri, and we want to do a follow-up, an update on what has happened since the last time we were here. There was some construction being done. They were building these jetways and they were building a new lounge. There were piles of sand and cement, and now it's about 4 months later and we're entering the Cheddi Jagan International Airport to see what has changed, all of the new developments. So guys, Cheddi Jagan International Airport is under a major expansion and renovation. The last time we were here, we looked at the jetway that was being constructed. See over there, that jetway was completed. I understand now it's in full operation, in use, and in the distance you can see there's a crane and some more construction going up. That could be either another building with the Cheddi Jagan International Airport complex, or it could be part of the storage facilities for aircrafts, maintenance and so on. Over here is the Lotus restaurant. The last time we were here, took a look at the outside seating. We'll take a look at it and see, in fact, if anything has changed. The Lotus restaurant on the grounds of the Cheddi Jagan International Airport. It's about 11 a.m., maybe 11:15 in the morning, so it doesn't seem to be open yet. But here we are, place to have a bit of lunch, a spot of lunch and relax. Right, there's a bar and a grill. Let's see if they have anything. Morning. Is anybody up ready? Okay, well, come back and get me something to drink. These are travelers waiting to depart. But while we're here, guys, we want to see what has happened since the last time we were here. This is the departure area. This is where you come and you drop your luggage off and you check in. But this is the construction that we want to see. The last time we were here, they were building this new lounge area, and there were still piles of sand 3 months ago. I thought I'd come and take a look at what has happened since then, whether construction has been updated. It turns out there is some progress. As you can see, there is a frame that's completed, and on the ground floor you can see there's windows now. The whole area is now under almost fully completed. These are stairs. So this, guys, is the construction area, the new area that is being constructed in the Cheddi Jagan International Airport. Still under construction. I guess this is going to be like their departure lounges, where you could sit and wait and have a spot of lunch, dinner, or snacks while you wait. You know, and part of the expansion is making the airport much more accommodating to travelers, and I suppose this is why this extension is being built. It's a large extension. It's going to be several floors. As you can see, there's an escalator being put in, and all of the electrical fittings being done. So it's a large expansion, 2 levels. This is only the ground level of the expansion. You can see there's much more construction going on upstairs on the upper level, right? Also a little pigeon there. So this is it, guys. This is what's happening at the Cheddi Jagan International Airport. An expansion in 2023 to upgrade the facilities and to make it much more, I guess, accommodating to travelers, both local and internationally. That is for people on this side of the travel line and on the other. So guys, this is the new expansion. Morning. Of the departure lounges. As you can see, there's on the upper floor a grand entrance foyer. And wait, it actually continues on the other side. It is as big on the other side of this. Of this dome as the side we just examined. So there's much more construction going on here. So it seems as if this is going to double, almost double the size of the departure lounges. You're going to have 2 floors of departure lounges. This is the new departure lounge?
No.
What are they building here? This is part of...
There will be a food court.
Oh, a food court?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's part of the part... Okay, I thought this is where they're waiting for... Yeah, but here's where when you're waiting to get on the plane, right?
Yeah, yes, they're still back into
That's
the area.
this area.
Yeah, back so.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome, sir.
So that is the expansion that's going on here. It's a departure lounge at the Cheddi Jagan International Airport. As you can see, this is the arrival terminal. This is the arrival lounge area. So this is where you would disembark after you've gotten off the plane and you've come through customs and you picked up your luggage. This is the exit from the airport terminal, and the new part that's being constructed, I'm just told, is a food court and the departure lounges. So guys, that's what's happening here. It's a huge expansion work at the Timehri International Airport. You can see the celebration signs, 55 years celebrating the 53rd rather, 53 years celebrating the 53rd anniversary. Independence since 1970. So that's the arrival area. Right, that's the arrival area. And here are the new jetways. Last time we were here, we examined these jetways. They were actually, the bridges were completed, and I wasn't certain whether they had been operational, put in use, but it turns out that they are operational. They have been in use. That has been confirmed by a number of travelers and in the comments of that video. So that's looking back at the Timehri International Year. It's almost noon. It's about 11:30 now, and so it's bright in the sunlight. This is the bridge, the air bridge, the jetway, the new end of the terminal that is completed. Right, that is operational. It's looking back at the site. So it's in fact a long walk from the departure area, because the departure area is at the other end, the opposite end of the airport terminal. And so now to use these jetways, these air bridges, you actually have to walk the entire length of the airport to get here. And so I suppose you either have to have rolling luggage, or be able to carry all of your luggage for quite a distance, like maybe, I don't know, a quarter mile, a couple hundred meters. But that's it, guys. This is what's happening here at Timehri Airport. That's the extent of the expansion at the airport terminal, right, where they're building a new food court and departure lounges, waiting areas for travelers, and I guess accommodations. Now, the air bridges are complete, right? These air bridges are complete, and I'm not certain if they're building more. I'm going to take a look at the other end, because the last time I was here, I think I saw they were building some extensions on the other side, but we'll take a look at that in the next videos, in part 2 and part 3. But this is the update, guys. This is what's happening here at the Timehri International Airport, where they are completing construction of the new departure lounge and the new food court. They've completed the air bridges, which is what we're passing under right now, and the jetway, and adding new construction. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. In the comments below, let me know what you think about the update here at the Timehri International Airport. Since the last time we were here 4 months ago, some work has been done, but it's not yet completed. We'll keep you updated, keep you posted, but let people know what's happening here at Timehri International Airport in Georgetown, Guyana. In the next video, I'm going to show you what's happening at the Marriott Courtyard since the last time we were here. So stay tuned. Later!